Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be driving the car and showing you my new drinks.
Whoa!
First, we got jelly popping.
Whoa!
I'm gonna try it.